Alright, let me replace this screen today. So, on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to replace this screen. Okay? So, let me start by removing the battery pin, battery flexi, and the screen flexi here. And you're down here. We just hold the phone like this. Then, there we go. This is the old screen. As you can see, this is the old screen. It's damaged. Now let me take the new one. This is a new screen. Straight, you see? It's very new. Okay, now let me just put it nice. Alright. There you go. It's all settled. Now let me put this connector here. I put this one, it's on. Now let me put the LCD connector also. Put the LCD connector to connect to the screen. Oh, it's a little bit hard to put this one, so I have to struggle a little bit with it. And then I also have to be aware to ensure that I don't damage this flexi. This will be done with a guide. We just have to be patient. Okay, now it's in place. I have to put this one for the battery. Connect it like that. It's connected. Then I have to switch it on. So you can see here, this is the power button. This one. Now then press the power button for some seconds. Let's press it for some seconds to see if the screen is working. Press it for some seconds. Just wait for it. Oh, it seems like the battery is low. Now I have to charge it. Let's go. Alright. Now we have to put the phone on the charge because it seems like the battery is low. Put it on the charge. Let's find out what will happen. It's on the charge right now. Let's just wait for it. Wait, or maybe the battery needs a boost or something. I don't know. Wait for it. Let's find out. Oh, seems like I forgot something. Okay. Okay, let me put it on. See, this means that the battery is low. Now we have to wait for quite some times for it to charge. Now it's saying it's 17%. Now let's turn it on. Let's turn the phone on while it's still on the charge. Samsung Galaxy A02, as you can see it. Okay. Also, we have to check everything to check if maybe it's touching or it's not touching. Let's watch it turning on. There you go. Almost there. Let's just be patient. Let's be patient, guys. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. Let's wait for the phone. Let's wait for the phone to turn on to check if it's right.